Because see, nowadays everything is getting hyper processed. People are serving meals in a box. People are even selling meal replacements. They're saying कि खाना छोड़ दो, ये एक डब्बा ले लो, this is enough for you.
Convenience and wanting everything in an instant.
Yeah.
Right? That's the reason why we call this generation the Instagram generation, right? Because we do not have the patience, we do not have the skills, nor do we have the attention span to wait for something. Your brain is fueled by food.
Yeah.
And your brain is the first thing that is going to be impacted when you're looking at your fitness journey. You know, so if you are somebody who thinks that I'm only going to work out and I'm going to have quick solutions of, you know, hitting some shakes, etc., pills and everything, I'm sorry to say you're not going to achieve good brain health, good hormonal health, and good overall holistic wellness.
Yeah.
You will be suffering in these domains. The thing with processed foods is, you're right, there is shockingly so many things available these days, right? I feel like you as a consumer have to now have very strong discernment. Our body works as a symphony, and when you try to disrupt this symphony by putting in artificial sound, if you're in an orchestra, you're not going to like what the product is like at the end. You will have to consume foods that are actually nourishing. You cannot go in for instant fixes. Yes, if you would like to have a supplement, I always say this,
yes,
because we need it today. You want
to
supplement your diet with something, you want to have a protein shake, you want to have some supplements, yes, you can definitely have that, because you're having it along with your main meals, right? We get a dopamine hit every time we're drinking one sip of coffee, you know. That's not how our body was made.
Yeah.
So if you want the real dopamine that comes naturally with your real achievements, with achieving things in life.
Cold showers maybe.
With cold showers, yes. With, taking care of your body.
Yeah.
Feeling fit from inside, right? Not having fatigue.
Yeah.
These are the real heroes.
Yeah.
And I feel like the more people realize कि हमें whole foods खाना है, हमें proper meals खाने हैं, जो भी हम लेंगे वो supplementary छोटी quantities में लेंगे, natural products choose करेंगे. They are exponentially in the years to come, they are going to be more stronger and fitter than the people who are not following this.